everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today we have day 5 of our Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Here is what the box looks like, number 5. We've got little Chuck waiting for the train. So excited. I actually really hope this is a cup just like last year, but like maybe a different color. My cup actually chipped last year too. I was so bummed out because it's my favorite and I love that color, that teal that we got last year. Let's see. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. You guys. Yay. What does this one say? This one says, "Sewing mends the soul." How cute. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you can actually find the leftovers on Missouri Star's website as well. Ugh, and I love this kind of like the stoneware bottom. These mugs are amazing. If you don't already have them, they're so, I just love them. They're so cozy. I really need to, hopefully I can get a replacement or something for the teal because it was so pretty. And I think the first year might have been red if I'm mistaken. Just let me know down below if I'm wrong. Oh my gosh. Let me know what you think down below of this amazing gift. I cannot wait to use this. I am so excited. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day number 6. Bye, everybody. Okay, here's last year, like I said. Love in every stitch. This beautiful teal color. I'm obsessed. Little chip, but it's okay. I still use it because I just love it so darn much.